plum milk smoothie or watermelon plum milkshake. One of the tastiest of the milkshake recipes and one of the most unique of the smoothie recipes and one of the most different of the milk recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the watermelon recipes and one of the most unique of the plum recipes and one of the most unique of the plum smoothie recipes. We're going to make watermelon plum milk smoothie. We've taken around 50 to 60 grams of sugar, around 100 grams of plum pieces, and around 100 grams of watermelon peeled and cut into pieces. Put in the plum pieces. The sugar. Close and grind well. Put in the watermelon pieces. Close and grind well. Open. Pour in. Ml of milk. Now close and grind well. Now the watermelon plum milk smoothie is ready and can be poured into the glasses. Pour in the watermelon plum smoothie into the glasses. This is the final watermelon plum milk smoothie, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the plum recipes and one of the most unique of the watermelon recipes and one of the most delicious of the smoothie recipes and one of the most different of the healthy smoothie recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the milk recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe and press the notification button.